This edible chocolate chip cookie dough is literally out of this world. It requires no baking and can be made in a matter of minutes with just a few simple and healthy ingredients. Remember to chill it before serving and it will taste like sweet
This is the one recipe you need to make this Easter. It is 3-ingredient cream egg fudge. It takes literally 2 minutes to mix up. You just melt some milk, chocolate and condensed milk and then add in some cream, eggs, push it all into a baking dish, put some more cream eggs on top, leave it in the fridge overnight, cut it up. It's
making some chocolate covered ganache and it's so easy to make. It only takes 4 ingredients. That is ridiculously amazing. First, we want to mix together about 2 cups of chocolate chips and about 1 cup of heavy cream.
How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I got a bitch tired every time.
Now we want to let this sit out for a few hours until the chocolate sets.
If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I got a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn.
Now we want to mix together about 1 cup of chocolate and about 1 tablespoon of neutral oil. I'm going with coconut oil. Pop this into the microwave 30 seconds at a time until all the chocolate melts.
Bitches see me as a threat, the baddest in the room. So tell them to make room. Diamonds glisten on my boob. They gon' listen to me.
And there you have McDonald's Oreo McFlurry, and it's so easy to make.
It only takes 5 ingredients.
Let's go. First, we're gonna go to McDonald's and grab one to compare.
Can I get 1 Oreo McFlurry, please?
Okay, the machine is broken, sorry.
The machine's broken?
Guess we can't compare.
Of course it's broken.
First, we want to mix together 1 cup of milk,
2.5 cups of heavy cream,
1 cup of granulated sugar,
and just a splash of vanilla extract.
Goalie, move.
Air fryer. Oh my god, so melty. Microwave. Oh.
Chocolate cake in the microwave and you don't even need any eggs. Just whisk together plain flour, granulated sugar, cocoa powder and baking powder until combined. Then add melted butter and warm water and whisk until smooth. Pour it into a microwavable dish, then microwave on medium until a toothpick comes out clean. I recommend checking it with 1 minute to go, then let it cool fully in the dish. Melt dark chocolate and double cream in the microwave and stir gently until smooth, then pour it over the cooled cake and smooth it out to the edges. You could also top it with Nutella or any buttercream icing to make air fryer French toast sticks. Cut 2 really thick slices of brioche bread, then cut it into battens. Whisk together 1 egg, milk and vanilla, then dunk the battens in the mix. Spray them with oil and air fry for about 8 minutes, turning them over halfway through. Mix together sugar and cinnamon, then coat the sticks on each side. Dip in maple syrup or whatever you wish, and that's it. They're crisp on caramel Biscoff cheesecake. Crush up Lotus biscuits for the base using a food processor or a bag and rolling pin. Then pour them into a bowl and mix with melted butter. Line an 8-inch tin, then place Lotus biscuits around the edge facing outwards. Press in the base and set aside. Whisk double cream to stiff peaks, then in another bowl, add cream cheese icing sugar and thick salted caramel sauce and whisk until combined. Then fold in the whipped cream. Scoop it onto the base and smooth it out. Then pour on melted salted caramel sauce followed by melted Biscoff spread and smooth it out. Refrigerate overnight and that's it.
Kat lover who needs this new Kit Kat cereal. The wafer flavour in this does remind me of Kit Kat, and they're seriously chocolatey too. These are available in Waitrose if you're interested.